This car looks absolutely incredible, aesthetic, elegant, equipped, and at the same time with unique suspension made by Elementor C engineers. Let's meet the Enduro KnightRunner 110 scale with independent front suspension. It seems to me that this is exactly the case when no explanation is needed. It is enough to see and you immediately want it. And now we'll take a look at what else this car is equipped with in addition to its excellent appearance. Then we will run it in the different locations. I like this color. Together with the equipment for off-road trips, it looks great. Front grille, windshield wipers, door handles, snorkel, side mirrors and officially licensed bed rack and tent are molded plastic parts. The body is made of polycarbonate plastic and in general it consists of two parts. The body is painted in a beautiful gray color with transparent windows. The headlights here are translucent and in theory it's possible to install a light. I like the detailing of these rims. Here we have installed officially licensed General Grabber tires. This is pretty soft rubber compound with good grip on any surface and this tread looks realistic. And yes, before this review the car had one run. Realistic officially licensed Demalo injection molded plastic bumpers, great looking and perfect for outdoor adventure, are installed here. Factory pre-installed LED lights in the front bumper. I already did a review of another great car from Elementor C. I am about this Trail Runner, and these are almost identical chassis. The only thing is that the length between the axles in KnightRunner is a little longer. Now we'll take quick review at this suspension and then we will go run outside. If you want a more detailed review, you can view this video by this link. The unique thing about this car is the combination of suspension type. In front there is an independent suspension created by team associated engineers, while the rear is dependent suspension. In addition to uniqueness, it gives the car a realistic look. A smart combination of metal and plastic parts and the correct distribution of weight on the chassis create the strength of the car and its passability. Here even this exhaust is MagnaFlow officially licensed. Let's turn on the car and try it on the obstacles of wheels. The car has a great appearance and good passability. And now let's go run outside. We are at the first location. Let's run KnightRunner through the mountains terrain and let's see how the truck behaves in different conditions. Wheels grip on the rocks is excellent. The suspension works well on those obstacles. The center of gravity is placed low so the car can withstand sharp inclines. It is worth noting that the truck has a wonderful appearance and it especially looks beautiful in the mountains. So far there are no difficulties in overcoming these obstacles. Even a sharp ascent on slippery needles is no problem for the KnightRunner. This is a difficult point, but thanks to locker differential it is not a problem to overcome. Now let's try to overcome the extremely difficult trail on dry soil at full speed. We are almost there. Oh, it was dangerous. Oh no! We are almost done climbing. Let's make second attempt. We have to do it. Oh no! 98% of the climb was complete. This is a great result. We are at the next location. Here we have a very viscous swamp. Let's see how KnightRunner copes with this. Oh, the truck is pretty stuck. It needs help. I want to note again that the car looks great. This is not an easy test. The depth of the swamp clearly exceeds the objective capabilities of the car. Here we are looking for the detour. the last difficult obstacle. Oh, it wasn't difficult. After the swamp, the car got even more realistic look. Conclusions! I washed the car after the adventure in the swamp. Look at this wheel design. Rims consist of 5 parts. Even this solution looks realistic. The car overturned several times and got its first damages. So I'm delighted with the appearance of the car. This is a good realistic option for runs in the mountains and swamps. After off-road adventure, the car got new, even more realistic look. The suspension works well with any obstacles. It is worth noting that you need to pay attention to the road clearance. In some cases, the car can get stuck. And another nuance is clips. It is a little difficult for me to take it off, so I use a tool, but it's easy to fix it by adding additional hooks such as this one. This is a car that attracts with wonderful appearance and unique suspension. I met my need. Subscribe so you don't miss the next videos.